Crepiness. Great for that paper we use to hang as streamers for parties, but not so good if it's on your skin. And today I'm going to share with you some new information on what you can do to help with it in the short term and the long term. So let's get to it. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys so much for the birthday wishes over the weekend. I really appreciated that. And also thank you guys for checking out that epic video on longevity that I put out on Saturday as well, because we all want to look and feel good no matter what age we are. So I really appreciated the time you guys took to watch and leave the comments. So crepey skin, really big issue, very frustrating if you have it or someone you know has it. The reason crepey skin occurs in the first place is because as we get older, we lose some of that elasticity in the skin and we lose some of the fat and collagen underneath the skin that keeps it plump and firm. Also, some lifestyle choices can make a really big difference. Things like smoking, drinking too much alcohol, living in really dry climates, and too much sun exposure, along with rapid weight gain and loss. All of those things can affect the elasticity and collagen production in the skin and lead to crepiness. Now, there is a difference between wrinkles on the skin and crepiness. Now, the basis for both have some similar things that happen in the skin, but wrinkles start off as dynamic, or folds that occur in the skin. So when we smile or raise our eyebrows, we get wrinkles around the eyes, crow's feet, and then those lines on the forehead. Over time, those dynamic wrinkles become static wrinkles and stick around, and we try to apply all sorts of products and we do all sorts of things to get rid of them. Great deal of video on this channel dedicated to that. But crepey skin is different in that it is the texture of the skin that is affected. And so the application of topicals and what we would do as far as treatments is a little bit different. Now, as I often say on this channel, it is much easier to prevent things from happening than it is to go and reverse them. And crepey skin is one of those things that we can do a great deal to prevent, especially by wearing sunscreen and protecting our skin from the damaging rays of the sun, because that is one of the primary things that happens to our skin. Obviously, things like taking very good care of your skin, having a great skincare routine, both for body and face, getting enough sleep, and things like diet all play a role. So a lot of things you can do to prevent crepey skin, but let's say you have crepey skin, which is probably why you're watching this video. What can you do about it? Well, some of the same things that we would do to prevent it also help reverse it. First of all, moisturization. Dry skin makes crepey skin issues look worse. So we want to make sure that we're applying products to our skin that help bring in moisture, trap moisture, keep moisture in, primarily things like hyaluronic acid-based moisturizers or ceramide creams. You guys know I talk about Neutrogena's Hydro Boost hyaluronic acid water cream gel because it's so packed with hyaluronic acid without oils and without fragrance, so it works very well for most people. But also if you really have dry skin or you live in a very dry climate, using a product that is packed with ceramides, something like a CeraVe moisturizing cream, will go a long way to help build up that lipid layer and protect your skin from moisture loss. So well-moisturized skin gives an instant improvement to crepey looking skin. It's going to take some of that texture out and give you back some of that firmness. Now, dermatologists and estheticians will often recommend a retinol moisturizing product. The reason for that is retinol helps speed up cellular turnover and it boosts that collagen production, because over the long term, you're going to see gradual improvement in the texture of your skin, reducing the amount of that crepey, wrinkled look. Another area that is particularly helpful in the long term is your diet, making sure you're getting high quality proteins in your diet, and especially collagen peptides. Studies have been coming out showing where they have given people a placebo of supplementation of collagen peptides, and the people that took them saw a 7-fold increase in the amount of moisture in their skin. So I'm a believer because I have firsthand experience in taking these. Now, I take the powdered version. This is Vital Proteins, collagen peptides, many of these brands on the market, but those 19 amino acids are the building blocks of collagen in your body and can really make a big difference in skin, hair, and nails, of course, but that moisture level is really what we're after when it comes to crepey skin issues. Now, I will put a link to the products I'm talking about in today's video and recommendations, like I usually do, down in the video description box below. If you don't know how to access that and open it so you see all the description of the video, just click the little thing that says see more. There are also specially designed products out on the market specifically for crepey skin issues. I know a lot of you guys probably have heard of Crepey. It's the one that's the As Seen on TV product. I've reviewed that one here on the channel before, but I've been trying a new one by City Beauty called Invisicrepe Body Balm, and I happen to have it here, so I'm going to show it to you. This is a really thick cream, as you can see, very thick. And it is like a multitasking product. You just apply it to wherever you would have crepey skin. I'm just going to apply it to my arm. And what it does is, as it is absorbed into the skin, it helps plump out and retexturize the very surface cells of your skin, giving them just a lot of moisture to help plump that skin out and remove that textured, crepey look. This stuff is really amazing. I have tested it out. I've had some friends who have some crepey skin issues test it out. It worked very, very well for them. Now, City Beauty is a luxe brand. It's not the cheapest product on the market, nor is it the most expensive. But as I always say on the channel, it's really not about brand and price. It's about ingredients and effectiveness. And this formulation is packed with botanicals. It is packed with moisturizing ingredients. It is packed with hyaluronic acid, sodium hyaluronate, and it works very well throughout the day. You don't even need to reapply it. So I wanted to share that new product with you today, since it's something I've been testing and I'm talking about crepey skin issues in this video. Another important way to help improve crepey skin is to make sure you have an exfoliation step in your skincare routine for body and face. Crepey skin tends to form on the arms, the legs, the neck, the face, and even around the eyes, places where we stretch our skin a lot. That buildup of dead skin cells makes the condition look worse. It also blocks out other skincare ingredients that could really be helping this condition. The first of which is vitamin C serum. Using vitamin C serum on the areas where you have crepey skin can really protect the skin from more damage and also help your other products work better. Using an exfoliation product like a Goshi towel, either a mechanical exfoliation step or a chemical skincare ingredient driven step, can go a long way to actually improving the texture of your skin in the short term and allowing these long-term steps to work better. But there are also skincare ingredients like glycolic acid and also lactic acid that help loosen the bond between those old skin cells and the new skin cells, making the texture look much smoother and allowing these moisturizing products to get down into the skin and help your skin out. Again, I will put a link down below for all of these types of products so you can check them out. Also, be sure and check out this video that is coming up next for a deep dive in how to take care of issues with the skin like crepey skin, dry skin, so that you get your best, beautiful skin ever. Thank you guys so much for watching today and supporting the channel. Love you guys, stay beautiful, and I will see you over on that next video.